Hello my friends and Merry Christmas! Let's see what is my task for today. Nikos, can you prepare for us the Greek typical recipe, diples, but can you do it gluten-free and vegan? It's my favorite dessert. That's why follow me to my kitchen. Let's make this amazing Christmas recipe from the desserts. This recipe is amazing. It's gluten-free and it's vegan. It's a little bit difficult. It's not so easy. That's why we have to start immediately our steps. The first step is to put all the ingredients for the layers. First of all, the liquid, and then we'll add the flour and the baking powder. Then we'll make the syrup. We'll make a thin, very thin layers, and we'll deep fry it in vegetable oil. Are you ready to start with me? Our dough is ready, we let it calm down and let's make the syrup. The syrup is very easy. Syrup the agar and coconut syrup, few water, just a little bit boil for 2 minutes and it's done. The syrup is ready. We turn off the fire, put a small casserole with vegetable oil, and now we open the layers. As we say, it's gluten-free, the dessert. That's why we need 2 pieces of cooking paper, because these 2 pieces of cooking paper will help us to open the layers. Because as we say, it's gluten-free, it's without gluten, so they're not so elastic. That's why we use this. Let's see how it works. my first batch is ready. I will dip them in the syrup and I will sprinkle with cinnamon and walnuts. And now, my favorite time. I will try my favorite dessert, one of my favorite Christmas desserts. Oh my God, it's so crispy. The problem with this dessert is that you cannot eat only one. Honestly, you can. See you in the next video.